Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open Settings and enable Location or GPS so the phone can see satellites and Wi-Fi signals. This improves accuracy. Once done, make sure the Map app has permission to access location, otherwise it won't read the sensor. You're aiming for high accuracy if available, because that blends GPS with Wi-Fi and cellular data to fix position faster. Finally, open your chosen Map app so it can initialize and start getting a GPS lock. Now focus on getting a stable GPS fix. Open the map and tap the location button to center and start satellite acquisition. You'll see an accuracy value in meters. Lower numbers mean better fixes. 5 to 20 meters is typical in good conditions. If accuracy stays poor, step outside or to a window because buildings block signals. Also toggle Wi-Fi for assisted positioning. Once the dot stabilizes, you can start routing, drop pins, or record a track with confidence. Begin navigation. Enter a destination, choose route, and follow voice or visual prompts. The app recalculates if you go off course. If your position is jumpy or wrong, try toggling location off and on, restart the Map app, or reboot the phone. This resets the GPS receiver and network aids. Make sure battery saver is off and the app has permission. If problems persist, clear the app cache or update the app to restore proper satellite reception and routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.